Mr. Aditya Prakash,
Yes, sir.
I am Gopalakrishna, the CMD of ACE group of institutions here. So very happy to see that you secured All India rank 6 in civil engineering in engineering service exam 2023.
Thank you, sir.
Briefly introduce about yourself.
Sir, I have done my PTech from IIT Indore in 2021. And after that, I started preparing for ESE. This was my second attempt. In my first attempt, I was able to mark my name in the reserve list. And from that, I got Border Road Organization Department. And in this attempt, I secured rank 6.
Great. What are your parents?
What, sir?
Parents. आपके पिताजी.
Sir, my father is a lawyer in Rajasthan High Court, and my mother is vice principal in government school.
So I came to know that you have taken mains, live classes, postal course, online test series, and interview guidance program with ACE Engineering Academy. Anyway, coming to your prelims exam, Mr. Prakash, what is your preparation strategy for general studies and object to technical paper?
Sir, in the prelims examination, if we talk about the first paper, which is GS paper, there are 10 subjects. So we have to prepare only 5 to 6 subjects rigorously. And apart from these subjects, we have to only read other subjects, because those 3 or 4 subjects are not very well defined in syllabus, and also these are very complex subjects. But others 5 to 6 subjects, we have to read these subjects very rigorously. For example, we have to read mathematics and aptitude very deep down, so that we can solve most of the question during examination. Also, we can focus on, for example, project management, because we read the subject in civil engineering also. We can focus on quality, and also some portion of environment is also there in civil engineering. So these subjects are very easy comparatively. So we can focus on these subjects.
Related to civil engineering?
Yes, mostly. Yes, sir. And if we talk about second paper, I think accuracy and speed both are very important in this. For example, I attempted 140 question approximately out of 150. Great. And one has to try that if he or she tries to attempt this number of questions, only 20 to 25 number of questions should get incorrect, so that he or she can secure almost 200 to 210 numbers, so that the total aggregate can be near equal to 300 marks, because competition is very high nowadays. So if a particular person secure 290 to 300 marks, even if a particular paper of mains get very not good, or interviewed who is not very successful in that in the whole process, then also he can secure a very good rank.
Particularly in civil engineering objective paper, more numerical questions will be there. Generally, civil engineering.
Yes, sir.
How you have solved those questions, numerical questions?
Sir, actually, from the starting only, my speed is very good. So I focused on the accuracy part. So I attempted test series, and also I attempted the previous year questions. So from these, I got got some idea that what kind of questions come in the exam, and because of these strategies, I solved the question in the main exam very efficiently, accurately.
Whether your preparation for prelims exam and mains exam went together, or you made them separately?
So actually, both these exams are quite different, I think, because prelims examination does not require much practice of a lengthy question. But in mains examination, we have to focus on lengthy question, especially in those type of question which require most of the theory part also, or formula part also, and also conceptual part. All these 3 criteria get covered in the mains examination. So one has to focus on the specific part in prelims examination, but in mains examination, one has to cover holistic approach. So
see, conventional papers, practice, how you have done daily, how many hours you used to practice, or what is the methodology of practicing conventional papers?
sir, as I've said before, my speed part was very good. My accuracy was not that good. So I have attempted a lot of questions during test series.
Mm.
Approximately, I have in the first attempt, I have attempted approximately 30 tests. In the second attempt, I have approximately attempted 50 tests. So total, I have attempted 80 tests during this preparation. So because of that, one gets idea about how much time we have to do in particular question. For example, I usually do first and fifth question first, and then I go to other question. So my strategy was, if I do first and fifth question in 80 minutes, then my examination is going in a right way, and I will attempt all 5 question in 3 hours. So this was my strategy. I try to attempt almost 280 to 290 marks, so that
My God.
in every exam, in test series also, and in the main examination also, my attempt was full 300 marks in both first and second paper. So if your accuracy is also not very good, then also you can grab a very good marks, 220 marks, 230 marks in a particular paper.
Okay. Coming to the interview, how much time you spent in the interview board?
Sir, this was my second interview, actually. In my first interview, I don't know what went wrong, but I didn't secure a very good marks. I secured 116 marks. I think because of my first attempt, I have not a very good idea about what kind of questions they are expecting, what kind of answers they are expecting. But in the second attempt, my interview was comparatively very good. They asked about theoretical principle of cricket. For example, I have written in depth that I have interest in cricket. So they asked about cricket. They also
Boundary layer theory, they asked? Boundary layer theory?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They asked technicality in my interest topics also. And
because I'm also civil engineer.
okay, sir. And the interview also gone in a very lengthy time, 30 minutes or 35 minutes. Previously, it was approximately of 19 to 20 minutes. So I think both the interviews were very different in my perspective.
Any questions on current affairs?
No, sir.
Hobbies?
Yes, they asked about my singing, and also they asked about cricket. However, not very direct question, but they went in the technical concept of cricket, how ball swings, and if a particular engineer wants to make the pitch bouncy or spinning track, then what should be the composition of the pitch? So these type of questions they asked.
So any questions on your personal, about your parents, schooling, education, etc.?
So not that personal, but because I have done my BTech from IIT Indore, they asked me about the waste of municipal system of Indore, because it is coming first in last 6 years. So
okay. Anyway, Mr. Aditya, give your message to juniors. For example, you are from IIT. There are several students. Unfortunate, they might have studied in ordinary private colleges. What is your suggestion when they have to start their preparation to crack GATE or engineering services in the first or second attempts?
Sir, I want to give my message in Hindi because
बोलिए नो प्रॉब्लम बोलिए.
सर, जैसे मैंने जब चालू किया था तो मेरे को भी पहले लगता था कि कैसे इतने ज़्यादा अटेम्प्ट हो पाएगा, कैसे 40 मार्क्स आ पाएंगे. तो मैं यही है ना सजेशन देना चाहूँगा कि आप पहले तो अपनी प्रिपरेशन 4th ईयर से स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, क्योंकि बहुत से टॉपर्स जैसे रैंक 1 भी उन्होंने भी है ना अपनी जो प्रिपरेशन जर्नी काफ़ी जल्दी से चालू कर दी. आप पाथ का वेट मत कीजिए, क्योंकि आजकल बहुत कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा फियर्स है। तो आप 4th ईयर से स्टार्ट कर दीजिए और ट्राई कीजिए कि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही आप अपना ना बेस्ट दें। बिकॉज आप अगर आप आगे के अटेम्प्ट के लिए ना कोशिश करेंगे तो फिर हो नहीं पाएगा। फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में बेस्ट देने की कोशिश करें, अच्छी रैंक लाने की कोशिश करें, और ये ना सोचें कि मुझसे कैसे हो पाएगा, क्योंकि एक जर्नी है ये। आप जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि चीज़ें काफ़ी ईजी होती जा रही हैं। आप कभी 350 मार्क्स स्कोर करेंगे, फिर 400 पे पहुंचेंगे और लास्ट में 430 तक भी पहुंच जाएंगे मेंस में। तो ये एक बहुत लॉन्ग जर्नी है, शॉर्ट टर्म जर्नी नहीं है कि आप सोचे कि एक मंथ में ही इसके ना रिजल्ट आपको मिल जाएंगे। तो यही मेरा सजेशन है बात।
Yeah, Mr. Aditya says that better start early the preparation, at least in the 4th year, so that you can definitely crack. Or if not in the first attempt, at least you can crack in the second attempt. This is the brief message. Okay, thank you, Mr. Aditya. Congratulations once again, and our namaskarams and pranams to your parents. Thank you,
sir.
Beta. All the best. God bless you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.